students, now we are going to see practice set number 5.3, chapter number 5th, probability. Now event. The outcomes satisfying particular conditions are called favorable outcomes. Means a set of favorable outcomes of a given sample space is an event. 5.3 question number 1. Write sample space S and number of sample point, that is number of S, for each of the following experiment. Also write the events A, B, C in the set form and write number of A, number of B, number of C. So question number 1. One die is rolled. So event A, B, C are given. So one die is rolled. So when a die is thrown, the sample space will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the number of S is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Event A. Even number on the upper face. 2, 4, 6. So 2, 4, 6. So the number of A equals 3. In case of event B, they have told odd number on the upper face. Odd number 1, 3, 5. So 1, 2, 3. So number of B is 3. Event C, prime number on the upper face. So the prime number are 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. So number of C equals 3. Question number 3. 3 coins are tossed simultaneously and conditions of A, B and C event are given. In A, it is said to get at least 2 heads. In B, to get no head. In C, to get head on the second coin. Now you all can see, if I toss 3 coins, what are the chances of possibilities of coming head tail? 3 head, it can come 1 head, 1 tail, 1 head. It can come 1 head, 2 tail. It can come 3 heads, 1 tail, 2 heads, 2 tail, 1 heads. So when 3 coins are tossed, sample space H, 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 T, H, T, double H, double T, H, double H, T, H, double T, T, H, T, triple T. So number of S equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in case of event A, they have said to get at least 2 heads. 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of A equals 4. In event B, they have told us to get no head. Okay, no head. Over here, triple T. So number of B is 1. In case of C, they have told us to get head on the second coin. Means H should come on the second coin. Means 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of C equals 4. Number 6 sum. 1 coin and 1 die are thrown simultaneously. Conditions for A, B, C are given. For A, to get head and an odd number. B, to get head or tail and an even number. C, number on the upper face is greater than 7 and tail on the coin. So a coin is tossed and a die is thrown. So H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. So the total number of N sample space is 12. For condition A, they have told us to get head and add odd number. Head odd number 1, head odd number 3, head odd number 5. So total number of A 3. For condition B, they have told us to get head or tail and an even number. Head even number, tail even number. So number of B equals 6. For C, number is greater than 7. So you all can see over here, none of the number is greater than 7. The last is 6. So C equals empty space 0. So number of C equals 0. So probability of an event. In mathematical language, when possibility of an expected event is expressed in number, it is called probability. So the formula for this is probability of A, number of sample points in event A upon number of sample point in sample spaces, that is number of A upon number of S. So 5.1, question number 1, if two coins are tossed, find the probability of the following events: getting at least one head, second one getting no head. So when two coins are tossed, so sample space HH, HT, TH, TT, so number of S equals 4. Let A be the event that at least getting one head, so at least one head means 1, 2, 3, so the number of A is 3. So for formula for probability is what? Probability A equals number of A upon number of S, that is 3 upon 4. And in event B, let B be the event of getting no heads, TT, so the number of B equals 1. So probability B equals number of B upon number of S equals 1 upon 4. There are 15 tickets in a box, each bearing one of the number from 1 to 15. One ticket is drawn at random from the box. Find the probability of event that the ticket drawn. First one shows an even number. Second shows a number which is a multiple of 5. The sample space from the number 1 to 15, you all can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 15. So the number of S equals 15. Let A be the event that ticket drawn shows an even number: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So number of A equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So probability A equals number of A upon number of S, that is 7 upon 15. And in case B, let B be the event that the ticket drawn shows a number which is multiple of 5. So multiple of 5, you all can see 5, 10, 15. 5, 10, 15. So number of B equals 3. So probability of B equals number of B upon number of S. This is 3 upon 5. 3 ones are 3 5s are. So 1 upon 5. A card is drawn at random from a pack of well shuffled 52 playing cards. Find the probability that the card is drawn. Number 1, an ace. Second one, a spade. 52. We know that there are 52 cards in a pack. So number of sample S equals 52. Let A be the event that card drawn is an ace. So we know that in a 52 cards, 4 are ace. So number of A equals 4. So probability of A equals number of A upon S. 4 upon 52, that is 4 ones are 4 13s are 1 upon 3. Let B be the event that card drawn is a spade, and we know that 13 cards are spade. So number of B upon S equals 13 upon 52. So 13 ones are 13 fours are. So B equals probability B equals 1 upon 4. With that, practice set number 5.2 has been done and chapter number 5th has been completed. Thank you.